Bunu çetellikle yap kalsa gerçekten. Rusyalikle yap kalsa. Ну, братан. Это вкусно, братан. Что ты? Это кебаб. Понимаешь? Seems good. It's very looks delicious. Deydi de Ruslan. Hindistonliklar ko'r qolsa, Hindistonlar bunday kebab yapolmagan bo'lgan ekan.
Oh my brother. It looks really, really delicious, my brother. Can I have some kebab? How to say this in your language?
It's kebab. Kebab deymiz buni.
This kebab is really delicious, brother. Looks delicious, but I don't know. I want to taste it. Can I?
Deydi de buni Hindiston. Afrikalılar. Brother! What is this? Looks delicious. Can I have someone? Deydi de buni. Hem de bunu İngilizlerle kalsa.
Oh my God! What is this? It looks so perfect. Can I taste one? Can I taste one? Oh my God! Have you ever eaten this before?
Deydi de buni. Amerikalık. Oxtali kızlar kırgız.
Oh my gosh! What is this? Looks so delicious. Can I get just one? Okay, first, let me take a selfie.
Hem de eğer de bunu Amerikalı kartlarıyla kırgız. Black American deyimiz değil mi? Kırgız'a.
What is this, man? What the fuck is this? It looks picnic, but what is this steak, man? It's so strange, but I wanna go. I'm going to taste it. Looks delicious, but it's cold, man. Can I get it warmer?
Deydi de. Hem şunu oğlu. Tükepti. Karaşla kırgasın de.
Mujnu mu yapsınız? Ebe?
Ne mi bu? Ebe kana hurmadı?
Biraz yiyen bu.
Kana hurmadı bu? Kırmak yaman kat göründü kopta.
Mujnu
Bilekçilik yan bu.
Mujnu